Everyone, welcome back with one more session, and this is BITSAT Prime Time with Masterclass Space at 9 o'clock. So today we are going to discuss some important questions that are commonly tested in your BITSAT exam, and that will be transformation. But before we proceed, if you are looking for shortcuts, strategies, tips and tricks, then you can think of fast track course. And if you are thinking of fast track course, yes, we are. So we have launched our fast track course that is starting from tomorrow. And in this fast track course, we'll discuss shortcuts, strategies, tips, tricks, along with sexual test and practice test. So you can join us. What if you want mock test or test series? Yes, BITSAT test series is available. You can Google www.masterclassspace.com and visit our website to purchase it. So let's begin what we are going to talk, transformation. So transformation means what? Changing sentences changing sentences without changing its sense. Okay. So here it says the chef cooked the meal. Okay. This is in active voice. You have to transform into passive voice. You know the rule of passive voice. What is? It is always helping verb plus verb. So this is past tense. Therefore, it should be was. And the option with was will be the answer. So you have only one option, and that is A, and hence A will be the passive voice. The meal was cooked by chef. Why not is? Because is marker of present simple, and this is the meal cooked by the chef. Of course, this is completely incorrect, grammatically incorrect, structured by incorrect. The meal has been cooked. This is present perfect tense. So if the sentence is the chef has cooked the meal, then the meal has been cooked by chef will be the correct one. Therefore, D out A becomes answer. Now, she said that she would help him. This is called direct speech, and you have to convert into indirect speech. So direct to indirect. Fine. This is indirect actually. You have to convert into direct. So she said will be the correct one. That's slip of tongue, my slip of tongue actually. So the sentence is she said. Okay, she said. So this is the common one, but that will be changed by comma and inverted comma. But what is important here? This one. Remember, she means subject. Okay. So subject, if it is I, then I can be converted because first person is changed according to subject. Therefore, it will be I. So I is common. Would will be will. So only B can be eliminated because would cannot be repeated. I will. I will help you or him. So actually it should be you. Why? Because him will go that side and it will be changed according to. So she said to me, and me converted to third person. That is called objective case, and hence A is the answer. Now, she always remember. And then what you have to do, you have to change it without changing meaning. So the always, if you go with the negative sentence, it becomes never. So she never, it's fine. Does not know, and does not always is okay, but does not always cannot become never. Does not always means sometimes. Okay. And therefore D out A becomes. So she never remembers her friend's birthday. She never forgets her friend's birthday is same as this one. Now she does not remember her birthday. So this is opposite of this sentence. Okay. She is not forgetting her friend's birthday. Actually, it is changing tenses. Okay. She does not always remember. Does not always remember means sometimes remember, but it is saying always remember. Therefore, D out A becomes answer. He can finish the work on time. So this is what? This is so statement question, and now you have to convert into question. He can finishes the work on time. So can will begin the sentence. The option that begins with can will be the answer, and again it is A. He can finish the work on time cannot be question form. Does he finish the work on time? This is a question sentence, but because it is sentences related to can, therefore does cannot, will, you know that's future sentence, therefore it cannot be used, and hence A is the answer. All right. So now let's move to the final option. Now direct indirect again. Do you do your homework? The teacher said to the student. Okay. So here the teacher, the do your homework, this is the emphatic sentence means order sentence. The teacher told. Okay. So the teacher told. So the teacher says, the teacher asked, the teacher was telling. Because it is order sentence, therefore the teacher told to the student. Okay. So teacher says out. Asked means it is used for question, and this is continuous tense. And hey, therefore, again, what is the answer? Answer is A. So do your homework, the teacher said. So teacher told to student to do your or his or her homework. All right, this is the real sentence. So the teacher told the students to do their homework. Students more, therefore their homework will be the correct one. Hence A is the answer. So this is all for today. See you soon. And remember, every Monday and Thursday, we join live sessions to talk about daily discussion. Okay. And we invite our experts to join you to give your answers. So if you have any question, any doubt, then you can join our live session and you can put your questions. So this is all for today. See you in next session. Have a good time, everybody.